Now, rising case numbers are the reality across our area, and with more kids getting the virus, schools are feeling the effect as whole classrooms have to quarantine. Nicole Ford is live with the advice from doctors on how parents can keep their children safe. Nicole.
Christine, one doctor tells me the downside to the Delta variant is it's highly contagious. We obviously can see that it can move quickly with those numbers rising in school-age kids. But he says on the other side, because it does move so quickly, he believes that these numbers will go down just as quickly as they went up. Schools are back open and COVID cases are on the rise inside those buildings.
In June, 67 reported cases in children 12 and younger. In July, that number increased to 157, and in August, there were 773 cases in this age group.
Those numbers have parents on edge. One asking me, how are kids supposed to be protected if they can't get vaccinated? It's a question we took to the experts.
My recommendation is do what you can to protect the family, not so much the child. So make sure that everybody in your house that can be vaccinated is vaccinated. Everybody your child comes in contact with that can be vaccinated is vaccinated.
Dr. Joseph Araki with Allegheny Health Network says it's likely these numbers will drop as kids get used to being around other kids again.
As it continues to circulate and as more and more of the population either gets vaccinated or gets natural immunity from having the virus, we're going to see less and less of these outbreaks or less severe outbreaks.
As parents and schools deal with the outbreaks now, some activities are being impacted. We've seen football games canceled already this season, but athletic directors I spoke to believe as long as kids keep their masks on in schools, this season looks to be better than the last.
It looks like, with COVID for us, we may be coming close to peak. We'll have a little bit of an increase with the schools opening over the next 2 weeks. Then we should start to see it come down rapidly.
Dr. Araki tells me while masking is important in the schools, especially with the new state mandate, he says it's not the only protection. He tells me most districts still have social distancing and quarantine policies in place to help better protect the kids. Reporting live tonight, Nicole Ford, KDKA News.